Let's begin. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of wireless headphones with the TOZO HT2 Hybrid Noise Cancelling Headphones. It was a bit of a mouthful. These over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones promise to deliver an immersive listening experience, a whopping 60 hours battery life, and hybrid active noise cancellation, all at a price that won't break the bank. Are they worth your time and money? Let's find out. We're going to open up the unboxing right now. The video will have my review attached to it at the end, so you'll see me in probably a different outfit, only because I took some time to use the headphones, properly use them, and then I can get back to you with my opinion on what I think of these lovely headphones here. Let's open up the box and let's see what you get inside. Now, I don't have my knife with me, however, there we go. Now you guys can't see, but my cat is actually, he's actually on my lap. So please, hopefully he doesn't steal all the attention. We'll just cover up his face. Let's open these up. So that's what the box looks like. We're gonna open it up and see what we get inside. Designed by TOZO in California. Oh my goodness, look at that. Where have I seen that before? Very nice packaging. Oh wow, look at this. This is actually an envelope, and in it we have the user manual, activate warranty, 18 months, bit of a dog ear on the paper. So we have a user manual, we have a quick guide, okay, and then this is a warning. Okay, do not drop, disassemble, or anything like that. This will tell you how to use it and how to configure it. Apparently there is an app that you can use it on your phone, an equalizer. So but we're getting ahead of ourselves. Here we are. Now look at that, all folded up nicely. So it looks like that these headphones can collapse, so they take up, so you can put them away and take up less space. In here, oh my, yes. The packaging is just lovely. I mean, take a look at that. It's very nice design. In here, we should have the 3.5 millimeter, okay, the headphone jack. Okay, so you can use it the old-fashioned way. This is the way I still use headphone jacks directly connected. The old way is sometimes the perfect way. And then we have the USB-C cable here, so you can charge up your headphones when the massive battery pack eventually dies out on you. 60 hours. Now, I just want to make a small note. It's 60 hours without using noise cancellation, 40 hours with using noise cancellation. Those are the details I got from the website. Here they are. Okay, so it's got the foam here all cut out nice. Okay, nothing else inside, so I'm going to take these out of the way so we can focus on the headphones now. Hopefully you guys can hear me fine with the microphone off to the side. This is the microphone I reviewed, the AM6, in a previous video. Check it out. Great mic for beginning streamers, gamers, and all that. I'm using it now. Great item. I love it. We see that they collapse. Okay. The finish is a matte black. I like getting everything in black. They have other colors as well if you go to their website. What do we have here? So on this one side, now they're also marked left, right. There we go. Left and right. One side has nothing on it in terms of controls and buttons. Does have here now this, forgive me, this could be a microphone that helps with the noise cancellation, because if anyone knows how noise cancellation works, it takes the noise from outside and quite simply subtracts it from what you get inside here. So all you get is just the music or audiobook or whatever you're listening to. It's probably the dumbed down version I just told you, but that's the only way I can describe it. So we have our noise cancellation control button right here. We have the charging port USB-C here. Here we have our headphone jack, 3.5 millimeter right there. Okay, and then we have a volume control, plus and minus. This button here, play, pause, hold, right here, and activate your personal assistant on your phone. So those are the features that you get here with the headphones. So that's what you get out of the box. For right now, we're going to move on to the review. But I want to give you an honest review. So like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you're going to see me in a different set of clothes, because I'm going to take some time and actually listen to these headphones and use them and see how they work. Very nice set. So like I said, there is an app that will give you EQ control. I'll also make a comment on that in my review. So after looking at the instructions how to pair it with my phone, we'll give it some use, and then you won't see a disconnect here, but the review is coming right up. So I got a chance to use the headphones, and here is my final review on these headphones, which they have been great. They sound great. Now, the first thing I do want to, I'm just going to take these off here. They're very snug on the head. The first thing I do want to tell you, I am no audiophile. All right. I'm not going to get into the details and the decibels and all that fine tuning information. I'm just a regular person that just wants to hear clear music over headphones. So that's the first thing. I am no audiophile. The second thing is your digital recordings will only be as good as the digital recordings. So as long as you're using good quality, high quality digital recordings, they're gonna sound great. That's what I found. If you're gonna, get that 96K MP3 recording, it's gonna sound horrible. Don't blame the headphones. Everything will, those digital recordings will not sound well in anything. They will just sound awful. So make sure you have great digital recordings when you're listening to your headphones. The first thing I'd like to just share is the design and comfort. So very soft leather, sits comfortably around the ears, doesn't put too much pressure around my ears and head. They are adjustable, as you can see here. Right there. So comfort isn't an issue at all. And they're also collapsible, as I've mentioned in the unboxing. So they will just fold up just like so, and you can put them away nice and compact. Perfect. So when it comes to sound quality, these things sound great. I mean, I don't know how else to share my feelings on the quality of the sound that I get through these. The bass is great, the mids are great, the highs are great. Nothing is overpowering. When I'm listening to a bass heavy track or podcast, the audio quality remains very balanced. And for this price point, I am very well prized and pleased. And the noise cancellation and transparency mode. So the ANC feature is a big selling point. It did a solid job of blocking out the low frequency noise like traffic or a buzzing AC. I actually sat in my living room with the TV on, and you can actually hear the TV just go very quiet. I mean, it's not silence. You can still hear the TV, but it's very low. It did a great job of just bringing that TV down. Active noise cancellation does indeed work. Perfect for when you're walking through a busy street or just having a quick chat. Now, the battery life is great. I have yet to charge them. I can't tell you how many hours I've put on these. Not a lot, but enough where, I got to try it out for a few times a night. Like I've mentioned in the unboxing, we've got 60 hours of playtime, 45 hours with the active noise cancellation on. It's got the fast charging, which is super convenient, and a 10-minute charge can give you a couple hours of extra listening time. So these are great if you're using these for long trips, marathon work session. They'll definitely hold up. Finally, I guess it's an overview of the app. I'm just gonna slip in that at this point so you can see the app, what goes on in there, and I'm gonna share that with you right now. Okay, so let's go through the app so I can show you what's available inside of it. So we're gonna tap on the app here to start connection. There it goes. It's picking up the headphones. So on our first screen, on our home screen, you can select different levels of noise cancellation. Transparency mode is where you can hear the ambient noise around you. This is pretty useful when you're outside, let's say just walking down the street, busy intersection. I think you want to hear what's going on with all the cars and the bikes and all that stuff. And then everything else lets you increase or decrease the level of noise cancellation, okay?
And you have your EQ. And when we go to, oops, there we go. Here we have different levels here that you can choose from. And then right there, you can increase, decrease treble, bass. Okay, leave it as standard, flat. See that? And so that's what that does. Moving on, now the next tab, products, obviously, is all the products that TOZO offers, from earbuds, other headphones. Look at this. They have a very wide selection of audio products. Smartwatches as well, fitness watches, batteries. Look at this. All kinds of chargers. They have a lot of products on here. The next tab is the community tab. So here you can actually post pictures and comments and stuff on a stream. So you got that you can do. Okay, there's a little plus sign. This is your recommended feed. And then you have your EQ zone, which it looks like what people are uploading their favorite equalization levels here. Bass effect perfection. EQ harmony haven. So there you go. See that? It's a picture of your EQ level. And when you tap on try out, I'm going to assume that that will send it to your headphones so you can try out that same setting. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. And then you have your following list, whoever you're following. I'm not following anyone. I haven't dived that deep into the community. The next is the AI section. Here we have rain, thunderstorms. We have lovely sounds to relax you, countryside night. And notice that it says AI limited time free. I don't have any details on that, but this section may in fact turn out to be a paid section. You also have options here: meeting, recording, mutual translation. Should allow you to translate face-to-face when you're interacting face-to-face with people. Should translate, but at this moment it's just simplified Chinese and English in the selection here. Okay, so that's what we have there. Send a message. AI chat is send a message to the AI and receive intelligent responses. Okay, and the final button is your profile, your orders, activity, problem feedback, customer service, settings. All that stuff is here. Now I did notice somewhere here, back on the home tab on the top right, we have the little sprocket there. When you tap on there, it'll tell you if there is an update. So these headphones are firmware updatable. A new version is available. Tap update to update your headphones. So it looks like they're kept up to date with the latest software. This is just a sorting function, Active NC EQ. This is just right here on this page, Active NC EQ. That changes that. And that is a quick overview of the app for the TOZO HT2 headphones. And when you get here, all the other TOZO headphones should be able to connect to the app. And you do the same thing: set up EQs, join the community, participate in the community, and all that stuff.
So overall, the TOZO HT2 Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling headphones offer a lot of value for their price. You're getting great sound quality, effective noise cancellation, and incredible battery life, all in a sleek, comfortable design. For casual listeners or frequent travelers, these are definitely worth checking out. If you have any thoughts or comments, feel free to insert them below in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, ciao for now, and happy listening.